What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cece, and today I am installing this wig on my mom. I did customize this wig in a separate video, so if you're interested, go check that out in my bio. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig install. Okay, so we start off on fresh washed hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going through some allergies right now, so don't mind how I sound. But I ended up just doing 4 big jumbo braids in her hair to go underneath her wig. And as y'all can see, I was struggling a little bit with those nails on, but I still got the job done. So yeah, this is just me braiding her hair down. Once again, I did customize this wig. I plucked it, I did the edges and the baby hairs, and I was actually super proud of myself because this is the first wig, like actual wig that I did for a client, aka my mom. She tried it on, she loved it. She was like, okay girl, this is a glueless wig, don't put no glue on this wig. And I was like, what? Mom, that's no fun. But she did not want no glue. She was not going for it. So we ended up just doing even spray, which was good as well. And this is just me pushing her baby hairs back with some got to be glue gel and then blow drying them. And now here, as y'all can see, I'm just cutting the lace. I cut her ear parts out, and then I cut the lace in 4 sections so that I could work on each little section at a time.
No edges on the side or nothing.
No side bunch.
After I pressed the lace down with the comb, I went in to try and fix the baby hairs, y'all. The baby hairs was the hardest part in my opinion, because I don't know if I'm using the wrong product to lay the edges down or not, because they was crunchy, y'all, and I was mad. But I ended up fixing them to her liking. And then I took some lace mousse tint and I used that around the perimeter of her hair, and then I wrapped it up. But this was all the content that I was able to get. She had to hurry up and get ready for work. I didn't get the end result, but yeah.
Hey, by the way, thanks for watching. See you later.